Hi, everyone. My name is John Michael Graves. I'm the Northwest High School Regional Manager for Stand With Us. And I want to just talk to you a little bit about how essential it is to create an educational environment that protects Jewish and Zionist students from discrimination and harassment.
The Stand With Us approach to responding to anti-Semitic incidents in schools is incredibly well-rounded, right? We're not just looking at, the immediate response needed to address a situation, but we want to see how we can ensure the protection of Jewish and Zionist students in a given school for years to come.
We're going into schools and we're working directly with students. We're also helping parents understand how to identify anti-Semitism and then what to do about it.
This workshop will teach students what their legal rights are and how to best respond to anti-Semitic activity in their schools.
So the best thing about the Stand With Us Know Your Rights presentation, and really just Stand With Us staff in general, is that our lawyers, our staff members, are not just trying to check boxes to respond to anti-Semitism. We are building real and meaningful relationships with parents, with students, that are really going to help us be more effective when responding to hate. Stand With Us's goal is to make sure that we're building resilient, strong Jewish students and parents that know what their options are in addressing anti-Semitism.
So if you are a student in K to 12, I cannot recommend bringing this session to your community enough. We also have sessions for parents. If you are interested, or even if you're thinking about it, please reach out to our team at legal@standwithus.com.